principle that I am going to personally document over here is the principle of attachment and detachment. The way in which human systems work and humans work as a matter of sociology, biology, evolution is that humans are always happy when they have a choice. If we constrain the choice of any set of humans, then anxiety, a low level of anxiety starts developing inside them. That low level of anxiety that starts developing gradually increases, and then it may even lead to mutiny, and it may even lead to protests and things like that. So as a business, we should always give a choice to the consumers whether to use our products and services or whether to not use the products and services. What does this mean? Now, if we are dealing in the terms of atoms, if we are dealing in the realm of matter or materials, so as to say, then in that case we have to make sure that the consumers get a suitable warranty on our product, get a suitable replacement guarantee, the service centers are good and functioning and working. If we are dealing in terms of let us say services, then in that case, according to the contracts of the service, none of the services should be enforced upon the consumer. We always have to have a service wherein the consumer or the customer can detach at any point in time and pay for what they have consumed and not pay for the rest of it, basically. So a method in which the consumer is able to attach and detach themselves from the system is going to be scalable, and it's going to be in accordance and in resonance with our concept of establishing an omni-win business strategy. Hence, it is very, very important to realize and understand that choice is very essential. We should never enforce the customer or enforce anything about our product or service, or tell somebody to buy it and invest in it via force or gimmicky marketing or pull marketing, so as to say. So we should not try to influence, but rather let the consumer and the customer make the decision on their own whether they want to invest in our product or service or not. If we do this, then we will be setting a precedent of being the flame, not the moth, wherein the customers are coming to us for our products and services, and we have to spend no effort or as close to nil effort as possible in marketing the products and services. This is how we would like to actually create and construct our own business strategy.